Okay, challenge 40, day 5, if you've been following along the whole time. Elijah went 40 days without food or water at Mount Oreb. Jesus was tempted by the devil not just 3 times, but many times during the 40 days and nights he fasted just before his ministry began. He also appeared to the disciples and others for 40 days after his resurrection from the dead. The number 40 can also represent a generation of man. Because of their sins after leaving Egypt, God swore that the generation of Israelites who left Egyptian bondage would not enter their inheritance in Canaan. The children of Israel were punished by wandering the wilderness for 40 years before a new generation was allowed to possess the promised land. Jesus, just days before his crucifixion, prophesied the total destruction of Jerusalem 40 years after its crucifixion in 30 AD. The mighty Roman Empire destroyed the city and burned its beloved temple to the ground. Again, challenge 40. Whatever's on your heart, my challenge to you is that you pray for 40 days and 40 nights. I'd like for you to get back to me with what happens if you take this challenge. Again, this is a walk for myself in day 5 of this. It was another beautiful day in Indiana, mid-70s, partly sunny sky. Find something to be grateful for today. Find something to be thankful to the Lord for today. Find something to be positive about today. Lord knows we have enough difference of opinions and separation and divide in this country. So find something that makes your soul feel good before you put your head down on the pillow tonight. Thanks. Have a good evening. Hope to hear from you tomorrow.